Pandas, pivot to true/false, drop column. I'm trying to create what I think is a simple pivot table, but I'm having serious issues. There are two things I'm unable to do. Get rid of the partner column at the end. Set the values to either true or false if each company has that partner. Set up. Desired output. I started with, which gets me close, but when I try to get rid of the partner column, I can't even reference it, and it's not the index. For the second issue, I can use but that seems incredibly hacky. Any help would be appreciated.
Option 1. Get rid of names on columns object. Option 2. Option 3. Timing. Small data.
Use the outfunc any which return true for any non-NaN value.
Another option. df equals df.pivot values equals partner, columns equals partner, index equals company, dot reset underscore index. 2. df equals df.pivot values equals partner, columns equals partner, index equals company, dot notna. Still, I like Lukia's answer in the comments even better. df.assign val equals true.pivot underscore table values equals val, index equals company, columns equals partner, fill underscore value equals false.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.